Hey everyone, we're going to start with Module 21. And Module 21 is about retargeting.
Yep.
So, Niraj, tell me why retargeting is so important, especially for making those sales and having a successful store.
A lot of people who come to our store, they want to buy, but a lot of times, something happens. They are browsing it on while eating. They are at work. They want to buy it later on. A lot of things happen.
Mm-hmm.
So they want to ask someone if they like or not. So a lot of things. But by the time they want to buy, they have lost our page.
Okay.
So Facebook collects all the data: who is visiting your store, who is adding to cart, and who is doing whatever. So that's the part of the pixel it is doing. It is recording all the activities of the visitor. So most of our traffic is coming from Facebook. So it is recording all the data. It has all the data that these are the people who are visiting our store and doing what sort of activities. So what we do with that Facebook is creating we can create audience for those activities. Like you can create an audience with people who did add to cart and didn't purchase for last 15 days. So they are more likely to purchase because they did the first step. They took the first step.
Absolutely.
So there are those who viewed your store for last 15 days or 30 days. You can make an audience and make an ad set to direct your ads to them. So for me, I'm not using any sort of different ad. A lot of people use the different ads with the coupon, but for me, I'm using the same ad. And I'm just telling them I'm not telling them you forgot to buy or something. I'm just showing the same ad to the audience. But what I am doing now for the retargeting, I got a new product and I have some event coming in my niche. So I have taken all my previous data. That data includes all the page likes, all those people who liked any of the post, all those people who visited my store for last 365 days, and each and every one. That the retargeted subset is close to 1 million people.
Right.
It is like 860 million people. 860,000 people. So I mean that's a lot of data, but I know these are the people who took some action in the past and were interested.
They were interested. They actually clicked on it. They added a cart and they were saying, "Oh, I want to buy this, but I can't rate the second."
Yeah. I do have like a little more than 70,000 people who bought, but more than 860,000 people I am able to target who took some sort of action. Maybe they commented on my Facebook post, maybe they liked, share, they engaged somehow, they did add to cart, they came to my store. So I'm going to that's some sort of subset, those who were interested before.
Okay.
And I believe that they are going to and it is working for me. So and I'm not targeting them with the different sort of ad. So for me the ad is again same. Whatever, I keep only one ad at a time.
Okay.
Yeah. But again I want to press this thing that's a real profit. You cannot skip to not to do the retargeting.
No,
you cannot do
all.
that. You cannot say that I will be doing it later on.
Right.
You cannot say that.
No.
So I was talking about an app, ROI Hunter, which actually works on the Google. So you can run ads on the Google platform as well, which are retargeting ads. So whatever the data you are getting on Facebook, via Facebook on your store, Google is also if you have set up the Google retargeting, Google will keep getting record of that data as well. And when you run the Google retargeting ads, so it will be showing your ads on the Google associated websites on as well. So you are whenever people just went to your website, they didn't buy, your ads are chasing them all the time. So that's one thing I do. Also, you can start the DPA ads. I'm not a big fan of DPA ads.
Now, what are DPA ads?
It's more like automated ads. So
Okay.
Facebook, we tell the Facebook that this is our product feed, and these people like you have to target add to cart people or view content people or purchase people. So you can do a lot of stuff. So I'm not a big fan of that, but I will let you know how to set up the DPA ads. as
Okay.
well.
Basically, what I'm getting out of it is your retargets are your profit.
Yes,
That is
exactly.
those people, they're sitting there, they have not bought from your store yet, but they have the potential. They put, they clicked on it, they had the interest, it is there. You just need to push it a little bit harder.
Exactly,
And if
exactly.
you're not retargeting, you are not going to make those sales. And that's where your profit comes from.
Exactly.
Because you need to hustle. If you're going to do this, you need to do it, completely all in. You need to go all in. You need to retarget those sales. And that's where you get a lot of your money.
Yeah, of course. I mean, you have already invested money to get those people taking action, but they didn't buy. So it will take less money now to get them buy.
Absolutely. I know there's a lot of people out there that they'll add that stuff to their cart and they'll think, okay, yeah, I'm at work. I can't do this right now. I
Yeah,
can't check out, or I'm at dinner, or something, whatever the case may be. But I saved it. I'm going to go back to it later. Life happens and they don't remember. So therefore, they need to be retargeted. They need to see that again. And they say, oh, that's right. I wanted to buy that.
Yeah.
Let me go back and do it.
Exactly. So
Absolutely.
do the retargeting from the very first day.
Absolutely. Perfect. So now we're going to go into module 23, and module 23 is about ads and the lifetime budget.
Yep.
Okay.
So we'll be talking. That's very important part.
Awesome. Stay tuned.